Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we're covering Chaos World Beginner Guide 2026, Tokenomics, Gameplay, Red Diamond Shop, Guild Ranking, and Siege War. Then I show you how to cash out your earning in Chaos World. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Chaos World or planning to start your adventure, this video is for you. Today we'll cover the most important systems in the game, including tokenomics, gameplay, the Red Diamond Shop, Guild Ranking, and Siege War. By the end of this guide, you have a better understanding of how to progress efficiently and prepare for endgame content. So let's get started. Tokenomics. First, let's talk about tokenomics. The tokenomics system is the foundation of the in-game economy. As you play, complete mission, join events, and participate in different activities, you earn valuable resources that can help strengthen your character. Managing your resources wisely is the key to long-term progress. Don't rush to spend everything immediately. Plan your upgrades carefully and focus on building a strong account over time. Understanding the economy will help you make smarter decisions and maximize your rewards. Gameplay. Now let's move on to gameplay. Chaos World offers an exciting MMORPG experience filled with quests, monster hunting, dungeon raids, PvP battles, and character progression. As a beginner, prioritize completing the main story quests because they unlock important game features and provide valuable rewards. Keep upgrading your equipment, improving your skills, and increasing your combat power so you can challenge stronger enemies and unlock more content. Consistent farming and daily activities will help you progress much faster. Red Diamond Shop. Next is the Red Diamond Shop. The Red Diamond Shop offers a variety of useful items that can support your character's progression. Before spending your red diamonds, think carefully about what provides the best long-term value. Prioritize essential items that improve your growth instead of buying things you don't immediately need. Smart spending will save resources and help you stay competitive as you continue playing. Guild Ranking. Now let's discuss guild ranking. Joining an active guild is one of the best decisions you can make in Chaos World. Guild member can participate in special activities, complete guild objectives, and earn exclusive rewards together. The higher your guild ranks, the greater the rewards and recognition you receive. Teamwork and active participation are essential if you want your guild to climb the rankings. Siege War. Finally, let's talk about Siege War. Siege War is one of the biggest and most exciting features in Chaos World. Powerful guilds battle each other to capture and defend important territories. Victory depends on teamwork, communication, strategy and strong character builds. Prepare your gear, coordinate with your guild members, and fight together to claim victory and earn valuable rewards. And now, I show you how to cash out your earnings in Chaos World. Siyempre, kailangan may CrossX wallet ka, no? And yung CrossX wallet, nadadownload siya sa Play Store and kailangan mo rin ng MEXC account. Then, nadadownload din siya sa Play Store. Then, kapag meron ka na noon, is verified mo na yon. Then, ayan. Open natin yung Cross wallet natin. Then, click natin yung CrossD Digital. Yung link nito is ilalagay ko sa comment down below, no? So, ayan. Click natin Cross to Cross BNB. Then, lagay natin 111. Hindi natin pwede ilagay lahat kasi wala tayong pang-gas fee. So, magtitira tayo ng pang-gas fee. Then, click continue. Then, click yung agree to terms. Then, okay. Click confirm. Then, ayan, maglagay tayo ng PIN. Ayan, bridge transaction sent. Then, ayan. Refresh lang natin. Then, magre-reflect na yan sa account nyo. So, punta naman tayo sa MEXC account. Yan, click natin yung deposit and on-chain deposit. Then, find natin yung Cross BNB. Ayan, nasa upper. Click mo lang yan. Tapos, ayan, pagka-click mo yan, click mo yung copy wallet address ng BNB. Cross BNB. Then, pagka-copy mo, punta ka ulit doon sa CrossX wallet mo. So, ayan, click mo yung Cross BNB, then click send. Then, paste mo yung Cross BNB na galing sa MEXC account mo. Pag paste mo nyan, so, ayan, click mo yung next. Then, lagay mo yung 111 cross. Then, click yung next. Click transfer. Send successfully complete. So, ayan. So, ayan. Click mo lang ulit yung MEXC account. Then, ayan. Deposit details na successful. Then, click natin yung convert. So, ayan, lagay natin Cross BNB to USDT. Search natin yung token ng Cross. Ayan, nasa unahan. Then, click yung search yung USDT token. So, ayan, click natin. Then, click natin yung max. So, click natin yung preview conversation. Click conversation. Ayan, conversation successful. Wow! Then, click natin yung transfer. Then, click natin spot to fiat. Para makapag-trade tayo, no? Sa sale. Yan, click natin transfer. Click natin all, then transfer. Transfer successful. Okay. So, ayan, click naman natin yung home. Hanapin natin yung P2P. Click natin yung P2P. Click natin yung send. Then click natin yung payment. Click natin yung Gcash para lahat ng payment is nasa Gcash lang. Tapos hanap tayo ng 500 limit, no? Then ayan. Click mo yung max. Then, ang marireceive natin is 568. Then, click yung sell USDT. So yan, wait natin naglo-loading. Payment pending. So wait lang natin. Huwag natin agad i-release yung USDT niya, no? O yung USDT natin kasi baka hindi niya i-send yung payment. So kailangan muna natin ma-check na na-receive natin yung payment. So ayan. So, check na natin sa GCash natin no, kung nasend na niya. Payment received. So, ayan, check na natin sa GCash kung nasend na niya, no. Open ko lang yung GCash ko. So, ayan, na-receive na natin yung 568 GCash, no. So, ayan. Ganyan lang kadali dito mag-cash out ng earnings sa KU's World, no? So, babalik naman tayo sa MXC account, then i-release na natin yung USDT niya kasi nasend naman na niya yung payment natin. So, ayan. Open. Click orders. So ayan, pag-click natin ng orders, click payment receive, click confirm, check natin then confirm. So click get code, tapos hanapin natin yung code ng MXC account. So yan, kailangan natin i-copy yun. So yan, copy natin yung code ng MXC account. Then i-paste natin doon sa SMS verification. Then click confirm. Pagkatapos ma-paste. Then ayan, order details completed. So ganyan lang dito kadali mag-cash out ng earnings sa KU's World. So ayan, sana nakatulong tong video. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits tayo sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat mga boss. Bye!